Today we're gonna be bleaching our hair. This disclaimer is gonna go out to Tiffany, Allison, Randy, any of you that want to bleach your hair at home after watching a YouTube tutorial. Don't! I look terrifying right now. I look worse than a Nickelback fan, and I just want to like get my life together, and we're gonna be bleaching my hair again. So welcome to the time where we ruin our hair again. I just hate myself and I like to ruin my hair in all possible ways. I've also been bleaching my hair since like the 7th grade. I am now 22 years old, so I kind of know the way my hair works with bleach. I'm not gonna go really into depth because I literally said this whole spiel on my first bleaching video. Now, if you want to know how, because I don't even know how my blonde's gonna turn out, to be honest, but if you wanna know exactly what we're doing, how we got it to this mess, then go ahead and watch that first video, because I feel like it'll be really helpful to know how I'm getting the steps into becoming blonde, because I feel like at this point I'm going to turn this into a series. We might make one more video, but I just want to see how long it's going to take for me to be blonde, because if you guys don't know and you didn't watch that first video, I used to have literally bleach white hair for like 3 years straight, and a couple months ago I decided to dye it black and I regretted it, so now we're trying to go back to blonde, and I'm doing this at home again. Allison, don't do this by yourself. Literally go to a hair salon. This is not funny. You will bleach your hair, it's gonna fall off, and then you're gonna hate yourself. Always make sure that a professional, I don't know why I'm going like this with my hands, but always make sure a professional looks at your hair when it comes to bleach, because that is so scary. I just want to show you guys the progress if you did watch that first video. So this is the current length of it now. It like when it's a little bit strained, it looks a little bit better, but yeah, I've been putting masks on it, like deep conditioning. My hair feels healthy. It doesn't feel disgusting, crusted like that weird bleach. We went to Sally's again, and this time I decided to get a big bottle of developer, because I know I'm gonna be bleaching it probably one more time after this, and we're not going in with a 40 volume anymore. I'm going in with a 30, and I think when I bleach, I'm not really gonna concentrate on the roots that much. I'm gonna be more concentrating on the darker parts, because again, this part right here is really freaking blonde. And this is the salon care one. This is the developer I've honestly again have used since like freshman year, 7th grade. It's just the one that I use unless I go to a hair salon. And then this time I picked up the violet one. So this is the Prism Lights Salon Care. It's like the same brand as this one, and I am taking the violet one. So the violet like type of thing removes gold tones, yellow tones. In my last video I did use the blue one, and that removes kind of like the orange ones, versus violet removes more of the yellow ones, and this is what we need. I don't really think it's gonna matter because we are gonna put color over it. I'm kind of taking a risk because my hair still is blue. Oh, I'm telling you, when I bleach it out, it's probably still gonna be green. My hair will probably not turn this color. It's most likely gonna be some type of purple, and this is the Ion Color Brilliance Brights in Rose. I don't like bleaching my hair all at once because it is so dark, so I feel like a good tip, maybe not a tip because I'm not a hairstylist, so yikes, but for me, I feel like how I didn't kill it last time is because I separated it. So I let the bottom part bleach, then I rinsed it out, and then I let the bleach really sit on the top, and that's how I kind of got that even consistency, that even application, and also it gave me a chance to really look at my hair and make sure nothing's messing up. I've now covered like all the bottom parts, and I didn't add any mixture. I have about that much left, so right now I'm just going in and kind of like touching up anything up here that I may have missed. Halfway through I realized something. I really don't want to fry my hair off. Like, I'm kind of like in a way scared, which is weird because usually I'm like whatever, but I decided to split it up again, so it's gonna be 3 parts. So this time I'm just waiting for this to bleach. I'm probably gonna leave it on for like 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to section this one off and then do that. So it's like literally 3. I mean, I know that's so much work, but I just think it's so much better because then it really gives it time for bleach to set, because I am doing it by myself, so I'm going really slow, so I don't want to leave this side on longer than this side, if that kind of makes sense. And yeah, so far I can see that it's lightening. I'm just yeah, we will see. I just need the brown thing to go away, like the ugly brown spots, and then once that's all faded, then color will pick up way more nicely. So my hair is still definitely really like wet, so it still looks pretty dark, but my hair got significantly lighter, which I am really happy about. I mean, obviously it's still blue. It's not gonna pick up the pink at all, but I'm kind of over blue. I feel like having blue just makes it look like my hair is still black. Like, it's not that much of a change. So I'm gonna go in with the pink, and it's just gonna turn my hair maybe like some purple. But I'm just really happy that, like, because a lot of spots here were still really dark brown, which I didn't like. But other than that, it's like we're doing good. It did nothing. When I was taking a shower, I quickly realized that I did it wrong, and that the color was not gonna be in my hair at all. So as you can see, maybe there's pink shades in it. It's because I didn't wash the color out, because fuck this brand. I have, again, only used this brand when I mix it with other stuff, so it's always done it for me. But I tried to read the directions. I'm like, maybe you need to mix it with something else, and even the directions literally confused the shit out of me. So that's why I'm not a hairstylist, and we're just gonna have to go back to Sally's. I'm back. It's definitely like 7 o'clock. This person right here is my friend. She's
oh my god, no!
She's off in the corner. But it's fine, because we went to Sally's, and guess what I got? The trusty brand that I use all the time, that never fails me, and this is the Argan Oil Perfect Intensity in hot pink. So if you guys have ever seen my hair hot pink, this is what I use all the time. Got this brand that failed me, and if anyone wants to roast me in the comments about what I did wrong, please tell me, because I tried to read the directions. I don't understand it. I tried to ask the people at Sally's. They didn't know what happened, so I don't really know what happened. But we're gonna use the same thing, except this is a shade diluter, so hopefully this is just gonna tone down the brightness of this. I got 2 packs just in case, because usually I use like 1.5 to make these. So I think I probably am good with 1 box if I'm gonna dilute it, but we will see. So let's just do round 2. I'm not gonna show you guys how I dyed it, because I showed you last time. And yeah, next time you see me, I will have hopefully pink hair, and it's not gonna be a fail. So it's 11 o'clock, and I'm at Julie's now. She's gonna do my hair now. Clearly this is why I'm not a hairdresser. So we did this, and we're here now. And we're just gonna get this process going. This is the state of it now. It definitely dyed it, but it didn't dye it to a purple because it just messed it up. I ruined it, and now we're just gonna do it again. So let's get to it. We're gonna use this chrome. I'll pop up a picture of what it looks like when it's faded, when I used it before, and then I'm gonna mix it with the hot pink, and I don't know if that's gonna turn purple. It's maybe not gonna turn ugly, but we are only using my trusted brand that I know it's gonna dye my hair. I don't know what color it's gonna be, but hopefully it's gonna fix whatever is going on right here, because this is no. It actually kind of looks cool on the camera in a little bit. No, see, it's really patchy. This is not cute. It's not a good look. It also just looks really dark too. That's the pink, and now we're putting in that. And we're gonna use all of it. And it just kind of darkened the pink, so now I don't know. I honestly have no idea what it's gonna do to my hair. But all I know is that it looks like my hair, I didn't even bleach it at all. Like, it looks like my hair is orange underneath, and then I tried to put blue on it, and then that's what happened, when in reality my hair is like yellow under this, and it turned it this weird color. So since I didn't show my dyeing process last time, this is what it kind of looked like, but it was way more vivid. Sorry, the lights are really bad. But when I washed it out, this is what it did. And the only difference is that I used like the color ion thing with it. So I don't know. I think this is gonna hold, but we will see. So last time you saw the clip, It actually ended up not working again, but it actually dyed it like this weird color. I'll pop up some pictures, but even the camera couldn't grab it. It was like, had like purple but blue. It was like the weirdest color. Like in person, it just didn't look cute. So I realized that I had over processed the crap out of my hair. Honestly, I think it might have been the color dye that I first used. Like, I don't know, it's just a weird consistency. And honestly, I don't really know what happened, but I gave my hair a break. It's not dead, nothing like that. So this is the current state of my hair. So it's pretty much still like the same length if you did see that first video. And if I'm being honest, I haven't washed my hair in like 3 to 4 days, and there's like a lot of sweat in it, and I didn't really dry shampoo it, so it kind of looks crappy. But I ended up dyeing it again with that same hair dye, and this is the color that it came out to. Again, this is not a natural light. It does not actually look like this. It's a lot more neon and vibrant. This is just like one of those colors where it doesn't want to pick up on camera if I don't have the proper light. So I'll pop up actually the picture of what my hair actually looks like in person. It's not this dark, I promise. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this entire video. I'm so sorry that it was literally all over the place. It was actually kind of the worst, not gonna lie. But yeah, hopefully next time I bleach my hair, I actually might end up going to the hair salon this time, so you guys will see that process. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.